Oh, wrong setting. Show me what you have.
I got a bold bonbon sandwich. I got a frappe, and I got coffee.
That's a parfait. Oopsies. Okay, this is the bad lighting that always makes noise. Here's our mirror with all my vitamins that I keep.
Tell them the plan. Tell them what we're doing today.
So today is move out day because of coronavirus. So this is my little dorm tour. This is my fridge. We have queso. We have pumpkin butter, seltzer, water, and orange. We have utensils, my coffee maker, Krispy Kreme, more coffee that's dirty from literally a month ago. My towels, even the Beautiful Girl Club. My Polaroid wall that I never got to finish. These I have to return. This is what it's like inside of a bone closet. I brought these hooks myself. The shelf, I put like all my beauty products and food. This I actually emptied out a little bit before. My pants, sweatshirts, stuff like that. More food because food is life.
What's Hippies?
Hippies are really good organic chickpea puffs.
Oh.
It's like popcorn, not really. It's like cheddar cheese balls, but vegan.
Oh, puffs.
Vegan. Do you want to try it? You can try it. I have different flavors. We just went to Au Bon Pawn. This is where I keep some of my notebooks, books. These are all my cards for my family. My family loves me and they send me lots of cards.
No, some mini cards.
Yeah, they do. These I already spoke about before. I have more food in here. I had books in here, makeup in here. Then I have like random stuff, but I actually use this drawer literally every single day. Kind of random: paint, nail polish, chargers, these little clips, note cards, glue stick, color pencil. This package is from KPMG and I got it somewhere, and it has like a stapler, which came in really handy because one of my classes only accepts paper. This is my really pretty bed that has my bag on it. I got a sandwich from Au Bon Pawn. This is what I think is super, super cute. My little stool that my mom made. This little situation that I got from Target. It's my hamper, and that's my, oh, here's my trash bin. Here's my trash bin. I have trash somewhere. Your place also comes with one of these things that doesn't fit facing us because I lowered my bed. Beds are changeable. I have to remember to get all my clothes out. I keep bras, underwear, socks with these little storage units, and then shorts and sweatshirts.
You jump out of it?
Yeah, you can't commit suicide in this dorm. Also stink. Oh my gosh.
Oh, you almost lost that.
That is the netting. Maybe we'll leave that.
Yeah. You just push it right over.
Don't push it. If you ever come and see hearts, that's me. I think I'm gonna leave that. I have a cute little decoration. I painted that in Blanton Hall one night. Some dead flowers, some more Polaroids. My friend made that, signed by Sammy on Instagram. I bought this the first week of school. It was like a pop-up shop in our plaza. That sign sucks. It's from Amazon. These lights are from Amazon. They work really good. And then I have little twinkly lights going all around the ceiling. And that is from Target, the dollar section. So we're gonna pack up and eat, and we'll see what we're doing later. That's what the current situation is. My room is a mess. Okay, this is my bedroom right now. I just brought everything in from my dorm. So I'm making a time lapse right there on my phone because I don't know how to do it on my camera and I don't know the storage. But this is my closet. I'm basically seeing everything in my closet right now. I had my bed nice and clean. I put my pillows up for my dorm here. Probably need to wash them because it's probably really dusty, if I'm being honest. But I have all my laundry from the dorm. right there. And this is my hamper, but I literally stuck everything in here so that I can move it out quickly. And let me just tell you, I am stressing. Like, I have too much. I have a frisbee. Who needs a frisbee? I think I'm just gonna like sell half my clothes on Poshmark. So if you want to buy my clothes, I'll link you down below. I have some pretty cute clothes, I gotta be honest. Like, I have cute outfits. You could check out my Instagram. Put some right here. Beep, beep, bop, bop. Like, look at this. This is not necessary. I also just tie-dyed some clothes, so like maybe you want to buy that. I don't know. We'll post it. If you don't buy it, I'll just wear it. You know, it won't kill me. It's really okay. Here I have like vitamins and whatnot. Oh, my mugs and my coffee. This is only coffee. I'm also making a room tour. So like if you want to see that, like my dorm tour, look up soon. It was from September, I think, with all my friends, and it was so cute. I gotta be honest, it's really cute. Bad quality because it's on my phone, but it's still so cute. And I also filmed today my room tour, so I'll insert that in the room tour like video with all my friends. There's so much makeup, which I can't sell because I've like tried every single thing. I don't pay for my makeup. My family gives it to me because my aunt used to work at like a makeup industry thing. So you're cleaning still. Okay, so here's a cute little food haul. I didn't want to get only snacks that I would eat. I wanted to get snacks for my family also. So I got 3 Slim Jims because my brother loves Slim Jims. Got 2 things of peanuts because we were running low on peanuts in the house. Some dried mango. It's organic. I got this from the vending machine, so I definitely paid too much for it. It's okay. Some Fig Newton, teriyaki beef steak, whatever this is. I really don't know because I didn't eat meat. When I went, I was with my boyfriend and he wanted a Clif Bar, but I forgot to take it. More peanuts. If you ever had these are the best snack ever. Brookside dark chocolate crunchy clusters. I used to get these for my volleyball team. We had like sister sister, but I always used to ask for, except it like made me really bad. But they're really good. 2 of these Luna protein chocolate peanut butter 12 grams of protein bars. I got the complete cookie. These are really good. I've had them before. It's a protein cookie. I got 2 Luna chocolate dipped coconut bars. These are so good. I had one before when I was leaving my dorm. This is amazing. I recommend highly. Cookies and cream press bar because my dad loves press bar. That's what I got snack-wise. Now let's show you the fridge. Honestly, all these things are overpriced, so that's why there's not a lot of food for $133. Let's show you the drinks. So I wanted to try out this seltzer that was in my like campus, so I got 2 of these. Grapefruit, orange grapefruit. I got mango simply orange. I got this one, which is raspberry as well. And then my boyfriend wanted this, so I got, ooh, there's all the chocolate. Dunkin' Donuts iced coffee milk beverage. That's mocha. I got 2 of those. I got caramel flavor. He drank it. Then I got unsweetened Gold Peak flavored iced tea. I got 3 of those. I got a lot of iced tea. And if you've ever had peace tea, I tried this one. It seemed good. But yeah, I tried this. Well, I'm gonna try it. I got the blue flavor, whatever flavor this is, just lemonade. And I got mango green tea. Ooh, that sounds so good. And I think this is just peach. And this one I tried tastes like a lollipop, so these are really good. They don't have sugar, they don't have calories. And look, the little cap's really green and pink. How cute. Then we got a bunch of orange juices because vitamin C. We got like 6 of these, and there's one upstairs, and we got another mango. So these are all of the drinks that I got. There's, like I said, not a lot, but like everything is overpriced. Everything was probably $3 to $4, so that's why it is so expensive and so little amount of items for $133. I also got 2 sandwiches and a nice coffee with my brother and I when we first walked in.